High-quality performance, the NUTV4 QUAD has as all-in-one package. Amplifier, Bluetooth remote control, 2 pairs of N4 speakers and all-wire accessories are all included in this one package. Simple DIY kit ready to go. We designed this kit as a set. The amplifier will take the N4 speakers right to its very best. Enjoy your tunes in high-quality sound while riding wild. NOAM is the #1 name for ATV accessories, UTV accessories, golf cart speakers and boat radio and speakers. Easy connectivity. Use the smart Bluetooth remote to control your phone's function or simply connect your music player to the remote's inline AUX input. Control your phone, MP3 player. The NBTA4R can control your Bluetooth device, allowing you to comfortably store your media player while riding the trails. Versatile. Your search for a Bluetooth waterproof speaker is finally complete. All-around water-resistant unit. Ride in any weather conditions. Speakers, amp Bluetooth remote are all water-resistant. The remote includes background light for dark conditions use. Easy to install. 2 pairs of 4 two-way wake tower mountable Bluetooth speakers, marine-grade waterproof construction. These speakers can be mounted on any round roll bar with size of 1.5 to 2. Mounting pads are included. Use them on your entire fleet of outdoor off-road vehicles. Industry-leading features. Other standard features include being IPX6 waterproof grade tested, 4 channels output, watertight plugs, and an inline power switch and LED power indicator. You can simply run the power wire straight to your battery easily. This model can also be used as a golf cart speaker or a marine radio and speakers. Top reviews from the United States. NOAM UTV4. Easy install. Just needed more 12V wire for my battery on my 2022 Can-Am Maverick X3 Max DS Turbo. Sounds great for the money, perfect for me even at high speeds, but even better while cruising on the trails.